All right, let's jump into the daily trade recap for Wednesday, May 3rd. All right, overall on the day, a small loss of $28 on the day. Let's jump into the trades and see what happened. We had 3 trades close today. First trade was our loser for the day. This was a put spread on CL or oil futures. We had a 70.65 May 19th put spread that we put on April 28th for 37-cent credit. And we ended up getting stopped out. In fact, it blew past our stops overnight. So we closed it in the morning for $1.85 debit. We were in this trade for 5 days, ended up being a decent sized loss for us of $1,480 on that particular trade, as oil just continued to plummet over the last several sessions. Considered taking assignment at the 70 strike, but I think oil is going to settle somewhere in the mid to low 60s. So I'm going to let this thing just close. We'll take the loss and move on and redeploy the capital into other trades. On the bright side, we had 2 good winners. We had our weekly gold futures strangle that we took off. We put this on 4/3 as per our trading plan. We did the 1810-2400 strangle for $10.50 credit. We will have one on every single Wednesday. We will put a new one on and take the most profitable one off. This happened to be the most profitable one on Wednesday the 3rd. And we closed it for $4.60 debit, which was a 56.2% return. And again, we closed that trade in 30 days as it was not only the oldest, but the most profitable of the 4 gold futures strangles that we had on. But we will do this every single Wednesday. And then the other trade that we took off was our ES weekly strangle. And in this trade was a June 30 strangle, the 34.60-45.75 strangle that we opened for $28.50 on April 5th. And then we closed it again on May 3rd for $11.25 debit. Total return on this thing was 60.5%, which was an $863 winner. 28 days in trade. Again, it was the oldest and most profitable of the ES strangles. So one of our trading strategies is that we will put on a strangle on ES futures and on gold futures every single Wednesday, and we take off the most profitable of the ES and gold strangles every Wednesday at the same time. So we always have 4 of each working, and it's been a very profitable strategy for us as we've been going forward. We've got a very, very high win rate. Took a few little losses in March due to the explosion in gold volatility as gold was moving around. We covered that in the other video on the March recap. But it's been a good month so far for us on the trades. Again, a small loss day, $28. 2 winners, 1 loser that just got a little bit away simply because oil was just dropping like a rock, and we weren't able to get out in a timely fashion. That's all good. Still up for the week nicely, and we will see you guys in the next recap. Again, $28 loss for the May 3rd. We'll see you either in the service or back here on YouTube. Feel free to subscribe and get any daily updates and trades that we're doing. I'll also be posting some new trade strategies and trade rules here in the next couple of days. So be sure to subscribe, check that out, hit the like button, leave a comment if you want, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a fantastic afternoon.